Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Find X2 Pro, and I'm going to show you how we can change screen resolution in this device. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find display and the brightness. Right now we have to scroll down, and when we tap right here on the more, we can change the screen resolution. As you can see, we got three options: 4K and Full HD Plus. So we can pick one of them. I'm going for the highest resolution. Click OK to confirm, and that's all. Of course, you can pick also auto select, so it will be, switching between the battery modes. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.